What is up, gang? What is up, squad? I know I haven't been making videos lately. Yeah, I've been busy and all of that. But I am back. And today, I'm about to prank my little sister. It's a sneeze prank. So what you do is you grab some water, put it on your hand, and then you sneeze, and you just boom, just as soon as you sneeze. So yeah, this is about to be epic. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my vlogs, tours, challenges, pranks, and everything else. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so now I'm about to wet my hand. So wait. I'm doing it on my little sister. This is gonna be really fun. Now turn it off. Okay, now let's go. First, I'm gonna go set up the camera.
I think it might be good. Oh, no, this bench. This bench kind of messed me up, you guys. The bench messed me up. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset this one. Let's restart this one. Okay, let me see. I don't know if I should kill him first. Okay, let's ring it. Alright, let's kill him right here. So if we kill him right here. Alright, and then I push this over. Okay, that might help us.
Do you see anything yet, George? There has to be a dinosaur somewhere.
Hey, Olivia, what you doing?
I feel like I'm going in circles
Even
again.
better. It's a muddy puddle.
And I can't go down. They trying to play
okay?
me out here.
What happened?
Come on, Mama, show me something. Jeez. All right, let me see.
Wait, what was that?
I gotta get a little smart. Okay, I run that one.
A dragon.
No, that might be a bad idea. We'll see though.
What?
Okay, I like this guy.
No,
Okay, I killed him.
they just call for
Okay,
me.
it might be a bad
They
idea.
call for the carpet.
I didn't do anything.
Go at him.
Jesus.
Oh gosh. My old nerd. Okay, let me see. Let's switch it up a little bit here. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Oh gosh. Dang! Brutal. Oh my gosh. Why are you so brutal, Jason? Level 10 of 13. Here we go.
What?
Oh,
Maybe I should
stay
do
on
this.
the show.
I'm not coughing.
Just work. Come on, let's rescue Teddy.
Make a
Give me.
bold run. Okay, let me see.
Dragon, you give back my Teddy. I'll make you give Teddy back.
Okay, so I should have probably made them. I made them both run, and then maybe I could call. Okay, he goes that way. If I go up this way, okay, she dies there.
You did it. Now let's go stop that dragon.
I don't know.
I didn't do anything.
I still can't.
No.
One of them stop over in this area.
Livia, it was a prank. Jesus. I watered my hand. Dang. You guys, she literally threw a backpack. Well, she didn't technically threw it, but she almost threw a backpack at me, yo. Almost threw a backpack. Well, she threw it, but she missed. Whew. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all smash that like button and murder the subscribe button. And peace.